Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this AI video using Veo 3 in the Gemini app. And right now anyone that's subscribing to Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra plans can start creating videos directly in the Gemini app. And especially for the Google AI Pro subscribers, the model that we can use is Veo 3 Fast. So it is not the biggest model, but it is more than enough to create an HD video just like this one. And also there's going to be some sound effect or audio coming from the video. Let me give you one quick example.
Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime?
Only if you promise we won't get lost again.
Alright, so let me show you how you can do it. First, let's go to gemini.google.com and then you can log in with your account. And here, oh, by the way, I think it is worth mentioning that right now Veo 3 is only accessible in some countries. In fact, I have to use VPN in order to be able to access Veo 3. But anyway, let's put the prompt right here. This is the prompt that I'm going to use. A corgi jumping beautifully from a springboard into the swimming pool. In an Olympic diving competition, the audience erupts as the dog jumps off the platform. Now, let's click the video mode. You can see that it generates with Veo 3. And if you don't have access to Veo 3, it might say Veo 2. So it is not going to produce some audio. Okay, so this is the prompt, and let me just click this button and just wait for the Veo 3 model to turn that prompt into a video. Now, this process will take about 1 to 2 minutes, and I'll be back when it is done. Alright, after about 1 minute, this is the result, and I'm going to unmute the video so you can listen to the audio effect. Okay, maybe I'm doing a really bad job at prompting because the dog doesn't do any acrobatic, activity in the air. It's just jumping directly into the pool, but that's okay. At least it is a great looking video. It's quite realistic, and that's what I like about Veo 3. And by the way, it is worth mentioning that right now I'm using the AI Pro plan on my Google account, and as you can see, I can only generate up to 3 videos a day. So if I want to generate another video, I have to wait until tomorrow. That's very unfortunate, but if you're subscribing to the Google AI Ultra plan, you can generate even more videos, and you might be able to use Google Flow to create a video. But again, right now I'm a subscriber here, but there is this error. So I think for most people that are not in the supported countries might see this message when trying to create a video via Google Flow. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. And I do recommend to use File AI if you cannot access Veo 3 from Google Platforms. You can use File AI, and you can actually just pay like $5 to generate a video via this platform. So that's basically how you can create an AI video using Veo 3 model on the Gemini app. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.